Welcome to our channel, where we share tips and strategies for personal finance and investing. Today, we're going to summarize one of best investing books for beginners. A Beginner's Guide to the Stock Market is an introductory guide to the world of stock market investing. The book is written for individuals who are new to the stock market and are looking to understand the basics of how the market works and how to invest in it. The book starts by explaining the history of the stock market and the role it plays in the global economy. It then covers the fundamental concepts of investing, including the different types of stocks and the structure of the stock market. The author also discusses the role of brokers and investment advisors, and provides guidance on how to choose a broker who is right for you. The second part of the book focuses on the practical aspects of investing, including how to analyze stocks and how to create a diversified portfolio. The author provides step-by-step instructions on how to research stocks and make informed investment decisions, and covers important concepts such as fundamental analysis and technical analysis. He also explains the importance of diversifying your portfolio and provides guidance on how to achieve a diversified portfolio through asset allocation. The third part of the book is devoted to the mechanics of stock market investing, including how to buy and sell stocks, how to track your investments, and how to manage risk. The author provides practical advice on how to set up an investment account and how to place trades, and explains the different types of order types and how to use them effectively. He also covers important topics such as taxes and capital gains, and provides guidance on how to minimize taxes on your investments. The final part of the book is dedicated to long-term investing and retirement planning, including information on the different types of retirement accounts, such as IRAs and 401ks, and tips on how to maximize your retirement savings. The author provides guidance on how to calculate how much you will need to save for retirement, and how to create a plan for reaching your retirement goals. Throughout the book, the author provides real-life examples and case studies to illustrate the concepts and strategies discussed. He also includes practical exercises and action steps that readers can take to put the concepts into practice. In conclusion, A Beginner's Guide to the Stock Market is an excellent resource for anyone who is new to stock market investing and is looking to understand the basics of how the market works and how to invest in it. The author's step-by-step approach and focus on practical advice make the book an accessible and easy-to-understand resource, and his emphasis on long-term investing and retirement planning is invaluable. Whether you're just starting out on your investment journey or you're looking to expand your knowledge, this book provides the guidance and support you need to achieve your financial goals and build wealth through stock market investing. Thanks for watching. To read the full version of the book, click on the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and strategies for personal finance and investing.